Snohomish County is a county located in the U.S. state of Washington, with an estimated population of 822,083 as of 2019. It is the third most populous county in Washington, after nearby King and Pierce counties, and the 75th most populous in the United States. The county seat and largest city is Everett. The county was created out of Island County on January 14, 1861 and is named for the Snohomish tribe. Snohomish County is included in the Seattle metropolitan area. The western portion of the county, facing Puget Sound and other bodies of water, has the majority of its population and cities. The eastern portion of the county is mountainous and is part of the Cascade Mountains and the Mount Baker Snoqualmie National Forest, with few settlements along major rivers. Snohomish comes from the name of the largest Native American tribe in the area when settlers arrived in the 19th century. The name is spelled as Sta-Do-Hosh in the Lushootseed language and has a disputed meaning, with unclear origins, with Indian agent Dr. Charles M. Buchanan once saying that he had never met an Indian who could give a meaning to the word Snohomish in his 21 years with the Tulalips. Chief William Shelton, the last hereditary tribal chief of the Snohomish tribe, claimed that it meant lowland people, a name associated with the tribe's location on the waters of the Puget Sound. Other scholars have claimed a style of union among them, the Braves, or sleeping waters. The name is also used for the Snohomish River, which runs through part of the county, and the city of Snohomish, the former county seat that was renamed after the formation of the county. The current spelling of the name was adopted by the Surveyor General of Washington Territory in 1857, with earlier documents and accounts using alternative spellings. John Work of the Hudson's Bay Company recorded the name Sinamis in 1824, while the Wilkes expedition of 1841 used Tuxpan to describe the Snohomish River. The same river was named Snohomish by Captain Henry Kellert in 1847. And was accepted by the U.S. government for several years. Snohomish County was originally inhabited by several Coast Salish groups, predominantly settled along the western coastline and near the region's rivers. The Snohomish were the largest group and occupied an area from present-day Warm Beach to shoreline, while Stillaguamish lived in the Stillaguamish River Basin. The region was first charted and named by European explorers in the late 18th century. Beginning with Captain George Vancouver and his British expedition. Vancouver arrived in Puget Sound and Port Gardner Bay on June 4, 1792, landing near present-day Everett. The Treaty of Point Elliott was signed at present-day Mukilteo on January 22, 1855, marking the cession of Coast Salish territories in the Puget Sound lowlands. The Tulalip Indian Reservation was established to house the remaining tribes, including the Snohomish, Snoqualmie, and Skykomish. Snohomish County was created out of Island County on January 14, 1861. The territorial legislature designated Mukilteo, the area's largest settlement, as the temporary county seat in January 1861. The county government was permanently moved to Cadyville, later Snohomish, in July of that year, after the incorporation of the city of Everett in 1893. The city's leaders attempted to move the county seat from Snohomish. A county-wide general election on November 6, 1894 chose to relocate the county seat to Everett, amid controversy and allegations of illegal votes. After 2 years of litigation between the cities of Snohomish and Everett, the county seat was officially relocated to Everett in December 1896. One of the first county censuses was taken in 1862 by Sheriff Salem A. Woods. Early important pioneers in the Snohomish County region included A. F. Cady of Snohomish, E. C. Ferguson of Snohomish and Isaac Cathcart. According to the U.S. Census Bureau, the county has a total area of 2,196 square miles as water. Snohomish County is located in western Washington, about halfway between the state's northern and southern borders. Possession Sound and Puget Sound define the county's western border, while the eastern border is defined by the summits of the Cascade Range. 4 counties are situated adjacent to Snohomish County: Skagit County to the north, Keelan County to the east, King County to the south, and Island County to the west. The county's surface is covered by plains in the west and mountainous terrain in the east. The Cascade Range passes through the eastern part of the county and includes the highest point in Snohomish County, Glacier Peak, at 10,541 feet above sea level. Most of the eastern part of the county is preserved by the Mount Baker National Forest and Snoqualmie National Forest, which are consolidated into the Mount Baker Snoqualmie National Forest. The mountains provide a source for several major rivers in the east, including the Snohomish, Skykomish, Snoqualmie,